looking at a grilled pork tenderloin being made in the process. I'm Louisa Drouet. We are at Riley Mack's Market and Cooking School over on Florida with Executive Chef Dave Kuntz from the Strater Hotel. And we are in the process getting close to finishing out a wonderful meal that we started for you our last episode. We are making grilled pork tenderloin and truffled egg salad. What are you doing right now? Where are you at with this process?
Well, we're
wrapping them, obviously.
We're taking a classic beef filet mignon, and I'm taking a pork, making a pork filet mignon.
Basically, so filet mignon is not actually beef; it's a type of cut.
Well, wrapped in bacon, pretty much.
I gotcha. Okay.
So we've taken some Sunnyside pork tenderloin and their smoked bacon, wrapped it around the filet that I actually cut and butterflied as I showed you, and then took a new style rubber band that is heat resistant, wrapped it around there, and we will be grilling those and finishing them in the oven.
Where can you get these new style rubber bands? They're very colorful.
They are, aren't they?
I love
Durango
them.
Coffee has all these fun little gadgets. They're awesome.
This is true, and if you haven't been to Durango Coffee Company, which I know you all have been, they have fun little gadgets. And we're showing you some of them here today. Now you're getting ready to pull out your
shallots.
Great.
And we're going to be preparing the tomato fondue that's going to be paired up with the pork filet.
Now, are these going to be grilling in the meantime?
They are. Would you like me to do that?
Yeah, let's get them started.
Awesome.
See, and you can hear it and you can smell it.
This is a wonderful iron grill that you can use inside. When those cold nights your dads don't want to go outside, you can pull this baby right inside. It doesn't smoke too bad. Medium heat. We're going to grill, mark, diamond it. Put it on a heat-resistant pan, throw it in a 400-degree preheated oven.
You're prepping for our sauce that's going to go over our grilled pork tenderloin?
It can go over or under. We're going to be also pairing up some new potatoes and Parisian balls that I showed you earlier. So.
That's all coming up on Durango Cooks. Great local show, all about our local food. Stick around, and we're going to have this great meal all prepared for you on one dish. We'll be right back.